How to transfer music, songs from your iTunes computer to your iPhone. First you have to connect it your iPhone, and that little iPhone logo will show up here. Just click it, you got that screen, and you have different options here. You can choose here options: automatically synchronize your iPhone if connected, or you're doing so Wi-Fi, and manually manage music and videos. Okay. Okay, on here on the phone you can see your phone. Click on music. Alright, and you can choose synchronize music. If you want to synchronize everything, transfer all music, you just here videos also, or you can go to selected. You can choose exactly what you want to synchronize. For example, I want Frank Duval, and go here, apply. Okay, it start synchronizing. It's very fast actually. Alright, done. Here it's document data. Download some music. Nice and easy, and you can choose any music you like, or videos, download, put videos, download on your iPhone, just like that. Fast and easy. Thank you for looking. Good luck.